Hey y'all, it's me Ron here again on the Snap Stream. End of the week, one more load to pick up and drop at the yard there in Hopkinsville. I'm on my way to get it now. But we got a little something going on up here. I'm not sure what it was. Traffic was moving slow, but at least it was moving somewhat. Then a state trooper went flying by everybody, and then all of a sudden we're stopping and going kind of slow. Let me give you an eye view of what's going on here. Maybe we'll get to see what's going on. Sometimes traffic will get going again. You'll get up here and you're like, what slowed everything down? As far as you can see, I don't know how. I wasn't using my GPS, so I'm not sure what distance we got of a backup here. I got to stop up yonder here and clean my trailer out before I get to the customer anyway. Up, I see some more cops in the coming up. See, you can hear them. That's a local one there. Here comes an ambulance. And another cop. Boy, it must be something else. Oh, we'll kind of go on the down low here shortly. I'll put you back on when we get up here to see what's going on. Looks like we might have a double whammy. Road work and a traffic accident. And it must be pretty bad because there was 2 ambulances. We'll see. All right, here we go. We're coming up on it. Hopefully it ain't as bad as I'm thinking it is. I'm going to give them some distance for these other guys to get on over. I get a gap like that so traffic can keep moving in both lanes. Everybody gonna try to cram out around me here. Alrighty, here we go. Man. 3 cars involved. Maybe 4. Well, maybe 5. Well, we're out around it now, so that's good. And they got some shoulder work up here too. I don't know what happened. Probably somebody got over and it just caused a chain reaction. But hopefully it ain't serious, you know, anybody getting hurt or not. You got 2 ambulances, so we'll keep it updated. Well, I was going to bring you guys along while I clean the trailer out, but I'm going to be doing some extra fighting of the rain, and I got to hurry up because I only got like around 2 hours left. I got to still clean this out and then go pick up my load and then go drop it at the yard there. Hopefully I'm thinking I might run out of time, but I hope not. Anyway, I'll get back with you shortly. Alrighty. Well, y'all, I'm back home. I got that stuff done as quick as I could. That's a pretty bad accident up there, wasn't it? Well, I got my, remember, I think it was my last video. I got pulled over by DOT. They got that seatbelt violation. Well, we'll do a reveal here. So I got the something from them here. They got Public Utilities Commission. It's weird. Anyway, I'll do a reveal here live. Alrighty. Sorry about that. I have a lot of paper here for just a ticket. All right. To me, on the 4th, a vehicle operated by Watkins Express and driven by me was inspected in the state of Ohio, resulting in the discovery of the following apparent violations, which was a bunch of crap. Driver failed to use his seatbelt. No crash. $100 fine. Wow. Son of a... Beep, 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 beep. Oh, sorry, guys. Failure to comply with either option above shall constitute a waiver of your rights. What rights? Give me a break. Ain't got no rights. As soon as you hop in that vehicle, you've waived your rights. What are you talking about? I mean, let's be truthful about it. How to make a request for conference. I just want to pay the stupid thing and be done with it. Amount due $100. Alrighty. Well, I better get busy on trying to pay this stupid thing. I guess that's all we got here today on the snap string. And love y'all. I'm here for y'all, okay? I'm here for you. Don't forget to make things around you brighter. Because the world will take care of itself as long as you do good around you. Bye-bye. Love y'all.